Being in the garden for me means a lot of things. It means not only natural, healthy foods, it also means a place to relax, a place to get away from the city, a place just where I can just let my hair down and be myself.
I've learned to eat stuff I've never eaten in my life, like beets and kale and what's the other thing? Oh, chard. I've never eaten chard in my life, and I love it now.
I got to know my other gardeners, and between that and walking my dog, I was able to get out of the house during COVID. So it wasn't the answer to everything, but it kept me human.
It basically brings you closer to your neighbors because oftentimes the garden is comprised of neighbors, so you get to know people that you ordinarily would not have gotten to know.
Yeah, community gardening is really good. I'm probably the oldest one in the garden, and I use a walker, but it's still worthwhile. My friend and I have the 2 raised plots that are wheelchair height, so I really enjoy it.
Trying to better understand farming and garden practices so that I'm not basically forced to buy food that's not natural or food that's not good and healthy.
I like to find animals. I like to eat food. I like to pick flowers. I like to eat cherry tomatoes.
I'm a garden leader because I like to contribute in some way, and I like to participate in the community garden because of the sense of community as well as an opportunity to grow more vegetables.
With the cost of living in Denver, with housing, and being in an apartment without any yard, I would never be able to do anything that I'm doing without Denver Urban Gardens providing the gardens. So I'm truly grateful for that, and it's meant everything to me this year.